brought me into training, I was always interested in younger in high school. I just never had, the right connections or knew the right people, or the money to get into it, so I just waited till I got older, found the right dog, and, got trained, it was my first real deal dog I bought. But, the problem with him was I knew he was going to be dog aggressive growing up as he got older, so I just kind of kept away from everything. I tried to be responsible owner, make sure he didn't get a hold of any other dogs or anything like that. Then once he really turned dog aggressive, that's when I decided, seek some help. Then I contacted Julius. He told me to come up, without any hesitation. I was always nervous that people wouldn't want my dog around him because of their other dogs, because he was so dog aggressive. And I just didn't thought people didn't want the hazard around. And, that's pretty much it. There's a huge difference between where Train is now and where he was before I started working with world-class canines. Before, he could never be around any other dogs. Never. He would go berserk. I had no control of him. Couldn't get him to sit, down, heel, nothing. He would do it when there's no other dogs around, but if he seen another dog, everything went out the window. But now that I've been training, I have full control of him, off leash, on leash. He's able to, be handled around other dogs without any problems whatsoever. Once training's obedience was complete, I decided to go further into his training by getting him personally protection trained. Right now, he's a level 3 protection dog, and just going through the process and seeing every step, working with the world-class canine. I just feel like he's a more well-rounded dog. He's a safer animal to be around. He will not show any aggression without my command. I have complete control of my animal now, thanks to world-class canine.
Out. Out. Train out. Get out, train. Get out, train. Train. That's awesome. Good boy. Good pocket train. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, train. Good pocket train. Good boy. Good boy, train. Good boy. Up. Train out. 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 Heel. Train heel. Train out. Train out. Get out. Down. Stay. Come. Yep. Stay. Stay. Come. Yep. 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 Down. Stay.